You think natural means safe for your skin? Well, not always. Just because it comes from nature doesn't mean it belongs on your face. Stick around. You might be surprised by what's actually irritating your skin. Let's start with a classic lemon juice. It smells fresh, it tastes great, and it's a TikTok skincare legend. But your face, not a salad. Lemon juice has a pH around 2, which is extremely acidic. It can mess with your skin barrier, cause dryness, and, get this, make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Ever heard of a little thing called chemical burns? Yeah, lemons can do that. Next up, baking soda. A miracle cleaner for your kitchen? Absolutely. A DIY face scrub? Hard pass. Baking soda has a high pH about 9, way too alkaline for your delicate skin. It can strip away natural oils, disrupt your skin's natural pH balance, and leave you with irritated, angry skin that says, "Why did you do this to me?" Pro tip: keep it in the fridge, not your skincare routine. Now for the plot twist. Essential oils. Frankincense, peppermint, tea tree. They sound like a spa day in a bottle, right? Well, kind of. While some essential oils can be beneficial, many are super concentrated and highly reactive. Used undiluted or too frequently, they can cause redness, burning, and even allergic reactions. Think of them like hot sauce. A little can elevate your dish. Too much? You'll be crying. Always dilute them with a carrier oil and patch test first. Your skin will thank you. So, natural does not automatically mean safe. Nature is powerful, and power needs respect. Before you smear your pantry on your face, do a little research. Or better yet, follow this channel for skin-friendly advice that actually works. Like, subscribe, and don't put lemon juice on your face, ever again.